Are you looking for the best indoor drones? In this video we will look at some of the best indoor drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DJI Tele Quadcopter Indoor Drone. Best indoor drone for beginners, thanks to an easy-to-use smartphone-based control scheme, and a design that is built to pull off exciting tricks, such as rolls and spins. The DJI Tele Quadcopter is one of the best drones that can fly indoors, offering a relatively quiet operation and a design that allows for full control via a smartphone or tablet. We appreciated the fact that this drone was built to easily perform a range of exciting tricks, such as rolls and spins. We also liked the integrated HD camera, which can easily stream live video or take stunning captures for indoor drone photography. Though the smartphone-based control scheme is handy, this model does not ship with a dedicated remote control device for analog control. Additionally, this drone does not ship with a lithium battery, though the company allows for one to be purchased. Number 2, DJI Mavic Mini Indoor Drone offers fantastic and seamless smartphone or tablet controls, in addition to shipping with a dedicated analog remote control, and includes a powerful battery that can last for up to 30 minutes per charge. The DJI Mavic Mini Indoor Drone is a great option for consumers who prefer using their smartphone or tablet to fly their drone throughout an indoor space. The smartphone controls here are intuitive and fantastic, though this model also ships with a dedicated analog remote as well. We loved the ultra-stable 3-axis motorized gimbal, which allows for an extremely stable photo and video capturing process. We also appreciated the light form factor, weighing just 9 ounces, and the high-grade battery that allows for up to 30 minutes of flight time per charge. But don't forget to compare DJI versus Skydio 2 to see which brand is better. This is a fairly expensive drone, however, likely due to the stellar reputation behind the DJI brand's name and the high-grade features on offer. Also, many of the components of this drone are made from plastic materials, so the durability rating takes a slight hit. Number 3, Simo X20 Indoor Drone. Value-friendly drone that won't break the bank, with robust features that include push-button takeoff and landing and a headless mode that is perfect for beginner flyers. The Simo X20 indoor drone is available at a value-conscious while offering a range of high-grade features, such as an extremely light and compact form factor, weighing just a couple of ounces, and easily fitting in the palm of an adult hand. We loved the single push-button takeoff and landing functionality and the integrated headless mode, which helps beginners get the hang of the oft-confusing directional control. Though the integrated analog remote is easy to use and allows the drone to perform acrobatic tricks, there is no option for smartphone or tablet controls. Additionally, the integrated lithium battery only allows for a maximum of 5 minutes of flight before needing a recharge. Number 4, Ryze Tectello Indoor Drone. When I come across a beautiful light streaky scene, I quickly take a shot, focusing on my favorite features. The Ryze Tello has my admiration as a starter because of its reliable offers. In a word, I was able to reclaim numerous indoor aesthetics in the most satisfying way possible while pursuing my indoor photography career. It's a miniature drone with a camera on the nose that can shoot 5MP photos and broadcast 720p HD video. Thanks to the embedded 720p camera, I can observe the action from the perspective of my drone and take photos and videos while flying. The flight time is 13 minutes. However, I got a little over 11 minutes with the minimum full charge. The mobility of this drone is its most noteworthy characteristic. Because of its tiny, compact, and lightweight design can nearly fit inside my coat pocket. Tello is excellent for utilizing indoors and refining my flying talents because I don't have to bring a separate controller. Number 5, Holystone HS200 Indoor Drone. Since my indoor sports photography career commenced, the Holystone HS200 has been caressing me with its flawless behavior. Hence, The best sports drone for indoors was my company throughout the basketball tournament. I can grasp mobility with less effort and have more opportunities to emphasize certain players in the picture. Because the HS200 is a reasonably inexpensive sports drone, it ensures it comes with a good camera. I wasn't expecting a camera to win me any honors for photography. Nonetheless, the camera's overall quality astounded me. The camera is mounted on the sports drone's belly and can record HD 720p films and shoot 2MP still photographs. One of the most challenging elements of flying this sports drone, particularly for novices, is keeping it steady in midair to shoot photos and movies. However, a function like an altitude hold makes hovering simpler. It enables me to capture high-quality, distortion-free photos. The gravity sensor works while flying the drone with my smartphone. It's a significant function that lets me control the drone with my hand motions.